Is YouTube acting up on your phone? Maybe videos won't load, or the app keeps crashing? Don't worry. Today I'll show you exactly how to fix YouTube the right way using a few simple settings. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have YouTube running smoothly again. Let's dive straight in. First, open your phone's settings. Now scroll down and find App Management. If you don't see that exact wording, look for Apps, Applications, or App Settings. It might be labeled differently depending on your device. Once you're inside App Management, tap on App List to see all the apps installed on your phone. At the top, there's a search bar. Tap it and type YouTube to find the app quickly. When YouTube shows up, tap on it to open the app settings. Next, look for Storage Usage or simply Storage and tap on it. Here, you'll see an option to clear cache. Go ahead and tap Clear Cache. This will remove any temporary files that could be causing YouTube to misbehave. After that, head back to the YouTube app's main settings page and tap on Permissions. Make sure all key permissions like camera, microphone, storage, and internet are turned on. This step is important because missing permissions can cause YouTube to crash or glitch. If this guide has been helpful so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now. It really helps support the channel and keeps us bringing you more easy tech fixes like this. Now exit your phone's settings and open the Google Play Store. Tap on the search bar at the top, type YouTube, and hit enter. If you see an update button next to the app, tap on it. Updating ensures you have the latest version of YouTube, packed with bug fixes and performance improvements. And that's it. By clearing the cache, managing permissions, and updating the app, you've just fixed the most common YouTube problems on your phone. Did this method work for you? Let me know down in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a quick tech fix. Thanks for watching, happy streaming, and see you in the next one.